Hi, this is Bill with Farland Classic Restoration doing another walk around on one of our special collector cars. This particular one is a Series 1 XKE Roadster, and it's fully restored in its original opalescent blue with black interior. We have this car's Jaguar Heritage Certificate that confirms those are its numbers and its colors. Okay, all Series 1 Roadsters, everybody knows, has the glass-covered headlights, the small tail lights, and the toggle switches on the dash. These are the more desirable ones from a collector's perspective. Obviously, they all have the chrome wire wheels, and this particular car has been fully restored with new leather, convertible top, tonneau cover, paint, chrome, everything. That's already been done. The car has already been to several Jaguar national level concours events and scored very well. We even have those judging sheets. The car is not a trailer queen. The owner has been driving the car around a bit, and it's in excellent mechanical condition because suspension, brakes, engine, clutch, all of that were redone during the car's restoration. Let's start under the hood. This car has one of the best restorations we've ever seen on an E-Type Roadster. Not only is it clean and beautiful, but it was all done in a correct fashion with the right bronze colored paint on the head. Speaking of the head, its serial number is also the same as what's on the Heritage Certificate. Oftentimes Jags have had replacement heads. But this car has its original motor, original transmission, everything has been double checked on that. On a Series 1 Roadster, the cars like this have the more comfortable seats in them. The very earliest cars have the old aircraft shell type seats that are honestly not very comfortable. These are far better. It still has the traditional toggle switches on the dash, and the car has the original radio, not some unattractive black plastic Japanese replacement. The owner of this car, who by the way has had it for 49 years, he was very careful that the restoration was done in an authentic fashion to keep the car as original and correct as possible. In the trunk, all of the car's factory equipment is back here. The tool kits, and of course down below is another chrome wire wheel. This is the car's original data plate. It got kind of boogered up, so a new replacement is actually riveted onto the car. And this is the Jaguar Heritage Certificate. Obviously, we'd love to talk to you about this car or any of the others that you see here in our showroom, or the cars that are all on our website. Please give either Tom or I a call at the number there. We'd look forward to hearing from you.